Hi everyone, my name is Ashwa Khare and I am the ex-student of Aditya Birla. With so much of proud, I really first of all want to thank everyone to give me such opportunity to be at least virtually present over there. And for those who do not know me, as I said, I am the ex-student and I have completed my entire schooling from LKG to 12th in Aditya Birla itself. And currently, I am working into one of the edutech companies of India named as Extra Marks Education, and I am the HR executive of complete entire Karnataka and Kerala. And to be honest about this school, it has always been a very, very wonderful journey for me. And all the teachers and all the entire staff have been so much supportive with, love and respect. They have always cared and shown their respect towards us as their own child. If you talk about me, I have never ever felt that I am going to a school, beat it any day, because it was like I am leaving my own parents and reaching out to my second parents. And this is not something I'm boasting up, but this is my inner feelings that I always wanted to share up. And I think I got this. And you guys are very lucky. To be very honest, you guys are very lucky to be the part of this organization. I really want every one of you to enjoy those moments, because down the lane after say 6 years, 7 years, although you cannot go and do all such things, but you will obviously miss all these beautiful memories which we do, which I do especially. And I always, if I ever get a chance, I always want to be the part of this beautiful family again. And to all the teachers out there, first of all, thank you so much. Whatever I am today, it's just because of you and my parents, who have always been so supportive and have taken care of me as your own child. I really love you all. And I wish that the entire family of Aditya Birla blooms, flourish, and grow in a very, very wide manner. And just want to say one thing: we have made many mistakes, sir and ma'am, but you guys have always been so supportive and forgiven us for each and every mistake we have done. And thank you so much for that. Just keep us all in prayers. We are still your children, and we really love you. I really love you. Thank you so much, and hope to see you all soon. Bye bye. Take care.
Hello everybody, my name is Asana Shukla and I am an alumni of What is say about this place? This place is amazing. I really love it. Of being an alumni of has given me almost everything what I needed. I have spent almost very crucial years of my life in this school, and it has been amazing. The teachers, my friends, my classmates, everybody participates in someone like this. They always motivated, always picked me up when I was feeling down. So thank you so much, every one of you who have taken care of me, who have helped me to grow and who have helped me to grow as a person, as a feel so proud that my foundation there at the Aditya Birla Foundation has. Thank you everybody, thank you all the teachers
Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek Somunshi from 2015 pass out batch. First of all, wishing you all happy Children's Day and happy Diwali and happy New Year in advance. And I hope you all are taking good care of yourself during this pandemic. If I talk about school, Aditya Birla has a very great place in my heart, as I consider it a home away from home. I cherish the memory I have spent there, and I miss all the teachers there. Gokul sir, Rajendra sir, Manish sir, Pathak sir, Raki ma'am, Chaya ma'am, Neeta ma'am. I don't know how many of you are still there, but yes, I miss you all. And I'm thankful and grateful for all the things you have taught to me. The most important thing I learned from school was that never run behind the marks, as it's just a digit on your mark sheet. And yeah, it is important, but yeah, the most important thing is knowledge. So if I convey something to my juniors who are taking education there right now, so I will tell them to acquire knowledge, be a good person. Okay, so knowledge is the most important thing. And there's a lot I can say about the school, but I have limited time, so I'll make it short and brief. So yes, whenever I have been to a competition, or soon after I started my college, I've always able to make myself different from others, and I think that is just because of what all the teachings and knowledge I acquired. What are the basics knowledge I acquired from the school was great, as I had great teacher, great atmosphere of learning. So yeah, many places I was asked that, yeah, from where you took your schooling. So yeah, I was probably able to say that I took my schooling from Aditya Birla Public School. So it is really feels good and proud. So yeah, to juniors who are taking education there right now, you should be grateful you are getting education in such great school. Talking about myself, currently I am working as area business manager in Sun Pharma Alton Therapeutics. So that is a cardio diabetic segment, and I look over the market from the whole South Gujarat, from Surat to Vapi and Valsad. So yeah, that's it from me. Wishing you again Happy New Year, Happy Diwali, and Happy Children's Day. And do take care of yourself during this pandemic. Thank you very much.
Greetings to one and all. I am Aditya Pandey, and I am pursuing right now MBA from Symbiosis Institute of Business Management. I had my educational journey at Aditya Birla Public School, Kharach, right from LKG to class 12, which I passed out in 2015. That being said, in this wholesome journey, I had many beautiful moments, right from after school display board decoration, practices for various co-curricular activities like folk dance, singing, drama, and whatnot. The school has played part not just in my academic development, but for shaping me and molding me as a person in my wholesome. It has been a second stakeholder in my upbringing and persona. And it's not just about the place, but the people. My teachers have played a very, very great and integral role in shaping me up, and therefore this is also a shout out to some of the teachers there: Chaya ma'am, Gokul sir, Rajendra sir, Vanda ma'am, Ravi sir, Rakhi ma'am, Pathak sir. I am greatly indebted to all of you, and to my fellow schoolmates there. Only one message that I would want to provide is enjoy the moment that you have in your school days, because you realize its importance once you come out of it, and so much more when you, like me, are in your last year of your educational stint of your life supposedly. So yeah, just keep swimming and keep enjoying.
Hello everyone, I am Ananya Gautam, passed out from ABCS in 2018. I guess my experience here was the most unique one, because I was a part of this institution only for 1.5 years. But I should admit that my experience over here was one of the most enriching ones. I learned a lot from my principal, Sue ma'am, as I got an opportunity to learn from her as a school ma'am. I also want to thank Dinesh sir and all my other faculty whose teachings are still helping me in my CA exam. I express all my gratitude, work, and are a part of ABP for making it a better place and a positive place to be. And my best wishes with all the business.
Hello everybody. It is very nice to know that Birla School has conducted this alumni meet this time, but unfortunately we all are not able to meet due to this coronavirus pandemic. But anyways, remembering our school days, it always feels nostalgic. Especially I remember still the days that when I was studying in Birla, that Shashikant sir used to call me always and used to ask me some of the Bengali words, like how are you, what you are doing, what you are eating, and all these things he used to ask me in Bengali, and he used to write it down so that he can learn it quickly, and he really used to learn it very quick. I still remember this. And regarding all the teachers like Gokul sir, he used to teach us Hindi. Still he is there in Birla. It's almost more than 20 years still he is teaching there. And so it's wonderful that we all are remembered as the ex students of this school. And I always wish all the family members of our Birla school that you always keep prospering. And to the existing students of Birla, I would always say that life as a student is very much precious, and it's very much enjoyable. So keep enjoying this. Don't miss this moment, because once this school life is over, then lots of responsibilities will come. So ultimately the school life and then your college life, it will be the best life, and you will remember it always. So remembering all of you, and nice to meet you all here through virtual video. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nirmit Parikh, first year MBBS student at GMERS Medical College, Godri, Vadodara. Today I am here to share my experiences of my school days at ABPS Kharach. When I recall my school days, unforgettable zillions of memories keep walking round and round, and approximately the same number of lessons too. But due to limitation of time, I will share 3 most important and most noteworthy lessons with you that I learned from my school days at ABPS Kharach. These 3 lessons include the importance of discipline, persistence and consistency in our lives. These three, in my opinion, are the 3 pillars of success. Apart from these, I also learned the importance of keeping ourselves updated, because in this world, if you are not updated, then you are outdated. Another most significant lesson that I learned from my school days is to constantly improve yourself day by day. This will help you to become a better version of yourself that you were yesterday. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to share my experiences and learnings that I imbibed during my school days, and I hope that these secrets of mine will also help you to achieve success in your near future.
Hello everyone, my name is Rashi and I am currently in Georgia. I am pursuing MBBS and I am studying in Devi Kilyani Medical University. I am an ex-Adityan and I was studying in Aditya Birla Public School Kharach, and I am really very grateful for the teachers, for the staff members, for their love, for their care and their support, and for helping me to reach my goal. And I hope our school does the good work that they always do. So yeah, thank you.
Hello one and all. Hope everyone is doing fine. I'm Yashaswini Rajendran, and it's a great pleasure to be with you all today. And I would like to thank our alma mater ABPS Kharach for giving me this wonderful opportunity. At present, I am pursuing my integrated PhD at the Regional Center for Biotechnology, which is collaborated with UNESCO. I would like to share a few moments spent by me in the institute with you all. I would like to thank all my teachers who have guided me to think differently, and their motivation has helped me qualify various examinations, not only entrance examinations but also various exams of life, which has made me reach till here. Dear teachers, your dedication cannot be compensated by few words, but I would like to grab this opportunity to thank you all and seek your blessings forever. It was a great time spent at ABPS Kharach, and also I would like to know more about my friends, seniors, juniors and all. Thank you all once again for this wonderful opportunity.